first Monday of the month at maraming salamat po for joining me at maganda po ngayon ang ating chikahan kasi my guest is one of the top 8 finalists po sa kakatapos lang ng Catwalk Philippines. But before I introduce him, magte-thank you muna po kami ngayon sa aming mga sponsors. Special number 1, ang aming sponsors po na Hesenea Aesthetics. Na meron po kami mga branches po sila na dalawa sa Show Boulevard, Mandaluyong, and sa SNS Amoranto, Quezon City. And then if you want, pwede nyo po silang tawagan sa 0929-275-1014 and 0906-208-8183. And open po sila from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Ayan po. And plus, please, until now, come and join us sa aming acting workshop sa aming pong management na Ignis Novice management po namin. We're still accepting student for our acting workshop every Saturday po to ng 10 a.m. and for 6 hours for 10 session po. Ayan. If you have inquiries, just call 0927-242-2673 and 0954-170-269. I'm sorry. Plus, you can message us in our Facebook page. Yan po. In our Facebook page po na Ignis Novice Artist Management and also our IG account. And we have our TikTok account at ignisnovice.official. Yan po. And also, we have our live contents here every Monday, me, Chikahan with Mommy Ray, and every Wednesday is up top. Every Wednesday po is up top, down low na podcast with Caleb and Charles. And of course, every Thursday naman po is Coffee Chat with the Vin. Lahat po yan, 7 o'clock here in our Facebook page, Ignis Novice Management po. Thank you. Ayan, mamaya na po yung iba. Maraming salamat at magandang kwentuhan tong gabing to. I think this is my first time to interview a model. A ramp model, and also batang-bata po to. So magandang kwentuhan po. Kikilalanin natin po siya. He's a top model and also he's a ramp model. Top 8 finalist ng 2025 Catwalk Philippines. Please welcome Sam Al-Jammer. Sana tama yung pagkabigas ko. Maraming salamat. Hi, Sammy! Maganda. Good evening. How are you?
I am doing all right po. Doing fine on this day.
Okay. So, how's the weekend?
It was good. I did some acting workshops.
Wow, acting workshop. Pag-uusapan po natin mamaya yung acting workshop niya. So, Sam, I want to get to know you. From where are you?
From where?
Dito sa Philippines.
Sa Silang Cavite po.
So you're Caviteño din pala, just like me. Pero, if you're gonna check, yung aking guest is parang foreigner. Ganda ng mata niya po, ang ganda ng mata niya. So dito ba lumaki sa Philippines? Hindi ba dito ba? Or you have a foreign blood? What?
Dito po ako nakatira. Dito po ako parang, this is where I was born.
Okay, here. But you have a foreign blood?
Yes po.
Okay. So, anong foreign blood natin sa amin?
Half Jordanian.
Oh, so you're Jordanian. Pero since you dito ka lumaki and then you were born here?
Yes.
So, sa Silang, Cavite?
Una sa Pasita kami.
Okay. And then, nag-transfer?
Yes, nag-transfer.
So, how's the childhood? How's childhood?
Good. I was mostly an outside kid. I'm not really a tablet or like a digital type of kid.
So that's good, Kasi yung nowadays ngayon, yung mga, like your age, you love gadget, tablet. So na hindi strict ang parents that you can play outside.
Hindi naman. Only on like school days or mga ganun.
But on the weekend, you can play outside.
Yes.
So ano ang mga, if you can still remember, what kind of, yung mga outdoor games ang nilalaro mo?
Ice water, train the busan, tag, hide and seek. Sometimes we would go catch grasshoppers in the grassy fields.
Okay. So at least you experience how to play ng laro sa labas kasi not everybody or your generation, how old are you again?
16.
O see, 16. Hindi po lahat ng 16 years old nowadays is know how to play yung mga nilaro niya. Because alam naman natin yung mga ka-age mo, you love the gadget di ba?
Yes.
So hindi ka gadget person, like
Not
you're
really.
you're not used in playing games like yung sa PS3, yung mga
Hindi pa, never grow up with consoles.
Oh, so that's good. So ang ganda ng ano ni Mommy sa inyo. So saan nag-elementary?
Sa may Monting
It's in Muntinlupa.
No,
What?
Montessori.
Oh, so in Montessori.
Yes.
And then from there, doon natapos, and then lumipat na nung nag-high school?
Yung nag-junior high, grade 5 and above, nag-switch po ako sa Colegio San Agustin.
Okay. Sige. So how is it? How's the experience, yung transformation from that school sa Montessori, and then yung lumipat din kayo ng place, diba?
Yes.
So you left some of your friends dun sa old.
Yes.
Oh. So hindi naman nahirapan ng transition?
Hindi naman po, pero parang nahirapan na ako kasi wala akong kaibigan na sa labas. So nasa loob lang ako sa bahay. So parang yun ang feeling, parang gusto mo lumabas pero wala ka kaibigan or you have no one to go out with. So if you went out, takad ka lang. Wala akong magagawa.
Oo nga. No. But bakit loner ba, or you're the only child, o do you have siblings?
Tatlo po kami. Middle child po ako.
So you're a middle child.
Yes.
So, and then, ano yung eldest? Ate, kuya?
Ate.
It's ate. How long is yung gap from ate, you, and you have a younger sister, right?
So, my older sister is about 30, I believe. 30.
Okay. So, medyo malayo. Half of your age.
Yes.
And then sa youngest?
Youngest is only a year difference. A year and a few months.
A few months. So, merong away? May sibling lagi?
Of course.
Feeling ko. Kasi since, I could feel kasi since feeling mo kasi ngayon you're the eldest kasi and also you're the man. So, laging kawawa si Bunso.
Yes po.
Naku, kawawa si Bunso. Pero, since sabi mo nga, you're a household person, hindi ka naman masyado nalabas. Do you know anything na gawaing bahay o chores?
Yes. All of it. Laundry,
wow.
cooking, dishes. Of course. Who doesn't know?
No, because not everybody kasi na at your age, na mga kakilala ko, medyo lagi na lang nasa gadget. And then some of the kids, tanungin mo, do you know how to cook? Sabi na, ano po yun? And then ang galing natutuwa naman ako, na-amazed naman po ako na ang aming Sammy is sobrang galing pala sa bahay. Well-disciplined. Wow. Ayan, bago tayo magtuloy ng kwentuhan sa amin, parang ang dami kong nakita na sa comment section na marami nagsisay ng magandang gabi. Good evening everyone, sabi po ng aming director. Magandang gabi, Direk. And of course, my daughter, hello bebe ko, sabi ni Gil. And of course, thank you First Sun Production. Good evening. Ayan, madami. And then si Vince, long talk, ayan, sabi niya, Brody Cakes, yan.
Brody Cakes.
Yeah, and then si Arlene, may pa-heart face. And of course, si Julian, let's go, sabi niya. Parang mga friends, and then si Jozam, mga classmates mo, ayan, nandito po inyong classmates. So, sa mga nandyan po, na on the comment section, if you have anything you want to know or ask si Sammy, you can drop off yung question nyo dyan for him later. So once meron kay question sa kanya na gusto nyo malaman, comment lang kayo dyan sa ating comment section. And of course, if you want to send stars, we're gonna be so happy and grateful of sending stars naman po sa amin. Yeah. Magtutuloy kami ng kwentuhan ni Sam. So, you're just only 16, sabi mo nga. Paano nag-start ang pagiging sa pagiging modeling mo? Ikaw ba may gusto o si mommy?
Okay. Ito yung nangyari. So, una, yung sister ko, siya gusto mag-modeling. Diba? So, nangyari, palagi ako nasasama sa kanya with mom para may kasama yung mom ko. So, ayun nangyari, yung mom ko parang in-encourage niya ako para mag-model na din. Para at least, save din sa gas, diba? Kami na dalawa
Yes, okay. So, doon nag-start. What age ka nag-start mag-modeling?
Around 12.
Oh, bata. So, ano to, ramp or sa digital, sa commercial? Paano yung pagmumodel?
Mga ramp lang.
Sa mga ramp. So, na-experience mo na talaga yung sa ramp modeling.
Yes.
And then, so, paano can you tell us yung unang experience mo sa ramp modeling mo? At your age of 12, ha?
First experience ko, parang nakakatakot. Dami tao.
Okay.
Dami tao nanonood. Tsaka parang dami cameras, ang bright ng lights.
Yes. So na-experience mo kasi 'di ba if it's a modeling career and then it's a fashion show, mabilis yung transition ng pagdadamit.
Yes, so, mabilis. Wala na time punta ng CR. Doon ka napapalit sa mismo backstage.
Okay. So, yung mga minomodel mo, paano yun? Mga clothesline or sa designers?
Sa designers.
So wala yun kasi 'di ba meron po tayong mga ramp model or mga models na you model a significant brand and then parang once minodel mo yun sa iyo na, but this one is sa mga designers. So you're just modeling yung mga designs nila.
Yes.
So at the early age of 12.
Yeah.
Okay. But dun sa 12 mo until now 16, nakapag-compete ka na?
Yes po, sa may Catwalk Philippines 2025.
So yun yung first competition mo?
First competition.
So never pa na-experience. Paano mo naman narinig yan? Paano mo nalaman yung Catwalk Philippines? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin, yung journey mo sa Catwalk Philippines.
Kay Sir Rodel po.
Oh. And then, nag-go-see ka. Nag-go-see ka. Diba? Kasi may mga days kayo na nag-go-see, di ba?
Yes.
So, pumunta ka doon.
Yes.
And then, kasi hindi pa naman yung malalaman yata, di ba? I don't know. Yung pagpunta nyo ba sa go-see nyo, that day, nalalaman nyo, o hindi nyo pa alam na you're one of the finalists?
Hindi pa namin alam that we are one of the finalists. Parang na-eliminate pa rin sila.
Nag-eliminate. So, nung pumunta ka doon, do you expect anything na makakasama ka sa finalists o hindi?
Hindi.
Bakit?
Kasi, parang, yung competition kasi, you don't know what the judges or the people that are scoring us, like what are they thinking in their minds? Maybe they have different opinions about us or have like different scoring base. So I don't really know to say.
How many days or how many weeks nalaman mo when you're one of the finalists?
The day that yung last day once
So, parang it took you like a month, like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, parang ganon.
Yeah.
So, paano mo nalaman? Someone emailed you or called you up? Sammy, congratulations, you're one of
email pa.
So yung email. So, nung natanggap mo si email, paano ang reaction? Are you excited or parang...
Excited po kasi new experience naman eh.
Okay. So, you just enjoy the journey.
Yes.
So, eto na. Pumasok na ang Catwalk Philippines, di ba? You found out you're one of the finalists. And then, nakita mo yung mga kalaban mo. Or nakita mo yung co-finalist mo, not kalaban, your co-finalist. What's your experience? Parang na-intimidate ka ba? Or just, okay, I'm just gonna enjoy kung ano dito, paano?
So, at the beginning, parang parang expect ko na competitive.
Yeah.
Pero, everyone is so nice.
Okay. And then, how about the number? Kasi I don't know kasi meron mga akong nasalihan na pageant or competition. The number is yung ibang finalists or candidates, they pick their own numbers. Or yung iba naman, the production is the one who's giving the numbers to you. Sa inyo, paano?
By last. Yung parang who will go on the ramp first? Or...
No. Because you're number 1, right?
Yeah.
So paano mo nalaman that you're number 1?
I believe last names.
So they're on in your last name. Number 1 ka, A.
A.
So, mas scary ba pag ikaw yung una?
Yes. Yes po.
Bakit? Bakit mas scary?
Parang ikaw yung center of attention for a little while.
Okay.
Nobody else is like behind you, no one's in front of you, so you can take your time. So, of course, it's a little bit stressful.
Oo, kasi
parang,
parang,
you're the first guy that comes out.
yeah. And then once nagkamali ka, parang it's a chain reaction na magkakamali. So parang you're the first, no?
Yeah.
So, kamusta ang experience? Kasi parang it took you like, hanggang dun sa dun sa finals, dun sa coronation night. Ano ba yung mga activities? What are the activities sa catwalk?
We had training, of course. We had photo shoots for the, photos. And then we went to other places like Bataan. We went, ramping there for the national costumes, I believe. Mga barong, mga ganun.
So parang yan yun yata yung Santa Cruzan.
Yes, po.
Okay, and then?
And then, before the final catwalk, nag-training muna kami under Miss Shandy.
Ay, oh yeah. So, how's the experience? It's all new to you eh.
Yes.
So, nag-enjoy ba o parang lalo ka na pressure?
Enjoy po. Everyone is so kind.
Oh, so that's good. So at least na experience mo, the first experience mo ng competition, it was really nice.
Yes.
Diba? Tsaka ang I heard yata dito sa catwalk is that everything is wala kayong like you have your own designers na magpo-provide ng clothes nyo, and even yung ano nyo, yung makeup nyo and everything. So parang pupunta na lang kayo, just go there, no?
Yes.
Oh, so that's
the best we can do is just show up early.
Show up early. You have to be on time.
Yes.
Okay.
Of course.
So ano pa yung ibang experience? Kasi 'di ba ang dami niyan eh, ang dami po niyang mga experience niyo na you have to have like pictorials dun sa isang sponsors nyo.
Yes.
'Di ba? Parang ganon. So, hindi ba nahirapan kasi that time you go to school?
No. Summer break na po yun.
Summer break yun. So,
yes.
Eksakto for you.
Yes.
Oh. Okay, so that's it. Until now ba, you have contacts with your co-finalists?
Yes.
Okay.
Most of them.
Pag-usapan natin, eto na. Eto na yung araw ng final night, diba? Ng Catwalk Philippines.
Okay.
So, the day of the competition, magkakasama ba kayo or what? Do you say?
Kasama kami lahat. Like, we're all in the same room.
Okay. So, parang in one hotel.
Yeah. No, not hotel. Like, in the backstage, there's rooms for the men and women.
Yeah.
And all the guys are in one room there.
No. Before that night.
Before that.
The night before the competition. Like, kasi di ba yung iba po, you're not allowed to parang isa-isa kayo from your house, go to the event.
Yeah.
Kayo ba, magkakasama kayo the night before, parang to rest, or you have your rehearsal, or what? Paano?
Okay, so the night before is some people who live very far away, nagpa-hotel sila.
Yeah,
Tsaka, but for me and some other people, doon lang kami sa bahay namin.
So tapos nagkita-kita lang kayo the day of the event.
Yes.
So, eto na, day of the event. Day of the event na. So, you have your call time. Early call time, I heard eh.
Yes.
Diba, early call time. Gaano ka pagod? Gaano ka stress? Gaano ka excited? First day, so morning. So, call time.
Call time.
7 o'clock.
Yes.
Okay, so what happened?
Una, doon kami nagantay kami sa likod, tsaka practice, rehearsal lang kami para maayos lahat. And then, once slowly, it became more to afternoon. And then, tsaka parang, lahat kami, nasa-stress na, tahimik lang. We were all a nervous wreck. Nervous wreck.
Wow.
It's very nervous. The stage is very big.
Oo.
So, and there's a good bit of people joining us. So, yeah, a lot of people watching and
Yeah, of course.
your fans.
Yes.
Thank you po sa mga nag-support po sa akin.
Oo nga. So, di ba? Kasi ilang ano yan eh, ilang portion. Like the first one, parang yata kay mga swimwear.
Yes, swimwear pa.
Parang summer ang dating, di ba?
Yes.
And then, pagkatapos nyo noon, mabilisan palitan. And then, what's anong category ng sumunod?
Yung
Sa Wow Philippines, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, yung the
Yung my tote bag, ganun.
Okay, and then second?
Second was, I believe, was it the formal wear?
Oo.
Formal wear ba yun?
Oo, yung parang naka-ano kayo, formal wear, nakagaling kayo dun sa baba. Yan. Ayan, yan
Ayun.
yung, ayun dyan makikita nyo yung mga pictures na pinapakita. This one is, I think, the second part. The second,
yes, the
no?
second one.
Oo, na sobrang seryoso po niya. Siya po yung unang-unang lumalabas na sobrang seryoso. Diba? And then this one is dun sa
Formal.
Yung formal.
Yes.
Okay. Ay, yan, saan yan?
Yan, dyan, ayan yung na-photoshoot sa model namin sa may Bataan po, sa may, yeah.
Sa Bataan. Yan yun. And then you're wearing the design of, if you can still remember?
Cliff de Torres.
Oh, so that's nice. And then, nag-pictorial lang ba kayo dyan o talaga nag-Santa Cruz at umikot ba kayo?
Umikot kami.
Talaga? So, how's the experience? First time, ma-experience mo yun?
Walking around, not really. I've done multiple, like, ano tawag dun?
Santa Cruzan,
Yeah.
parang ganon. But
Pero hindi naman yung Santa Cruz, parang yung lakad lang.
lalakad. Pero this one,
yung
parade siya
yeah.
talaga.
Yeah.
Oh. And then, ano to? One-day event?
Yes, one-day event pa.
Ay, nakakapagod.
Late lang po kami nakauwi.
Oo, talaga. Pero ang ganda, ha? Ang ganda nung... Kasi yung designer din yung nag-provide ng mga clothes nyo,
Yes.
ano? Okay. So, that's nice. So, after niya, ano pa yung mga events? Ano pa yung mga events nyo, activities nyo for the catwalk? Yung sinasabi mo na pumunta ba kayo sa mga sponsors? Do you have a sponsors visit?
Yes, we had some sponsor visits. But it was only like a selective amount, like the people who wanted to go or can go during that time. But I wasn't able to go at that time.
Doon sa ibang sponsor visit. Pero yung mga ano nyo, yung mga like radio, TV,
Ayun,
visit.
meron kami sa Net...
Net 25.
Net 25, yes.
Okay, so how was it? How's the experience? Ganun na. Maaga. That's
Yes,
too
maaga.
early. Kasi yung show yata sa Net 25 is yung early show nila.
Yes, morning show.
Also, how was the experience dun sa ano?
It was fun. Fun siya. It's nice to see like a little bit more of like a childish or playful side to everyone.
So, para talaga na-expose kayo dun. Kada umaga show ng Net 25.
Yes.
So, para from your first experience of having a competition, sobrang na-expose ka.
Yes.
And it's nice because na-expose ka dyan and then you experience. And ang sabi mo nga, all of you became friends.
Yes.
Even though it's a competition.
Yeah.
Yeah, di ba? Para ang saya. So, you're in the, tapos kinukwento mo din that you're in the backstage, that all the guys are in one room and all the girls in one room.
Yeah.
Di ba? Tapos mabilis. Nagkaroon ng time to eat? No.
We had time to eat.
So, that's good. Kasi mahaba yung ano, no? Mahaba
Yeah.
yung...
Pero most of us, what we did was not eat para hindi lumaki yung tiyan namin.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Especially on the first part of it.
Yes.
Okay.
Especially that one.
Okay, sige. Magkukwentuhan pa tayo dyan sa catwalk kasi we're gonna pagkausapan natin when you heard that you're chosen to be one of the top 8. So, magandang kwentuhan. Magbabasa muna po tayo ng ating mga comments. Ayan. Sabi nga ni Julia, let's go. Ayan yung mga nabasa na.
Yeah.
Sir, ayan, Sam. Sabi nga ni Direk Rodel, may question siya sa'yo. Sammy, who is in your life inspiration and role model?
My mother po.
Si Mommy. So,
because she's very hardworking. Like, all of her time is given to us. And I really appreciate all that she has given to me and my siblings.
Siyempre naman, halos lahat yata sila Mommy. How supportive si Mommy?
Sobrang supportive po. Like, even after work, and after work, on the weekends, whenever it is, she would have time for us. And I would like to thank her for that.
Wow! Oo
Thank you
nga
po, Mama.
naman. Oo. Mukha naman talaga supportive si Mommy, no?
Yes.
Super supportive si Mommy sa'yo sa lahat ng gusto mo. Yan. Thank you, Mommy. Ayan. Ano pa? May comment? Ayan. Tapos, meron pa. Support, sabi ni Ethan.
Thank you, Ethan, my boy.
Yeah. Tapos sabi niya, you're so pogi. Oo nga, no? Ang pogi. Tapos si Domingo, sabi niya, go, Kuya Sam. Hindi ko maintindihan kasi trying heart. And then si Lenny, sabi niya, you're so guapo, Sammy.
Thank you.
Yan. And then si Ethan, hi, Sammy, do you remember the nickname? Bread Boy. Bakit naging Bread Boy?
Is it okay if I don't want to talk about
Okay, sige, wag na. Of course, one of your...
Mga tropa jokes lang.
Oh, tropa joke. Also, you're one of your catwalk models. Si Angela is here. Hi, Angela
Hello.
Maghanoy. Hi, Mommy Ray and Sammy Dav. And then si Cathy. Ang pogi naman ng pamangkin ko. Ayan. Tapos,
Thank you.
meron pang, may kamukha siya, yung sa PBB. May kamukha ka daw na
Sino
tiga
po?
PBB. Sabi nung isang nag-comment, you look familiar with one of the actors or one of the celebrities from the PBB house that recently na kamukha mo daw. Tapos, gwapo naman ni Sabi ni Kai. And then, sino pa? Puro gwapo eh. Ayan,
I'm flattered.
papasukin, may nagtanong, papasukin na yan sa bahay ni Kuya. O, they want you to be inside the PBB house on the next. Sabi. Tapos, kilig na si Mommy. I think this is your sister. No?
No.
Siya ba yun? Yung kay Ningning. Ka-office mate daw ni Mommy. Meron pa? Wala na. Ayan. Kinikilig daw si Mommy, sabi nung ka-office mate niya. Kasi, inano mo siya, sinabi mo, Mommy is your inspiration.
Mm-hmm.
So, during the catwalk, kwentuhan tayo, during the catwalk, did you expect that you're gonna be one of the top 8?
A little bit. I was hoping to be one of the top 8. At least the top 8.
Yeah, okay. And then, eto na. Kasi, di ba, may mga special prize. Did you get some special prize o wala?
Just some, yung parang mga gift binigay.
Okay.
And then trophies, and then, yeah.
Okay.
Some trophies.
Yeah. Yung nag-a-announce na ng top 8. Kasi alam ko, I think,
yeah. The audience choice pala.
Oh. So, ang lakas nito sa audience. Oo, ang daming support from the audience.
Thank you po sa mga support.
Ayan. Oo nga, ayan. O, ayan po siya, di ba? So, eto na. The tawagan na ng top 8. I think they didn't call it, by numbers eh.
Yeah.
It's a random call yung ginawa siya. Nung tinawag niya yung pangalan mo. So, di ba sabi mo, nininervous ka
Yeah, I was taken aback.
Okay.
Parang na-surprise.
Oo, kasi nasa likod kayo nun, di ba? Hindi pa ano. So, what? Nung tinawag ka na, sabi mo, yes, eto na.
Yeah.
Eto na. Pero after the top 8, meron kayong ginawa di ba? Ano yung
Yes, parang nag-photo shoot kami dun sa mga boxes with clothing na bigay nila. And then, after the boxes, nabalik kami, tsaka nag-rampa naman kami.
Yeah. Is that, do you know na mangyayari yun? No. So, ano to, surprise sa inyo?
Yes.
So, you have to be good on that.
Yes.
Kasi to express yung sarili mo.
Yeah.
Okay, di ba? Yan yun.
Yes.
Yan yung 25 seconds?
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay. So, ayan po siya. Si Sammy na hindi ngingiti yan all the while, di ba? You're like, you're in your character. Yan. So nice. Oh. Pero, so nakapasok ka sa top 8.
Yeah.
Sabi mo nga, it's okay with you, maka-top 8 lang ako.
Yes.
Pero of course, you're praying to be the winner.
Of course.
Pero nung hindi mo naman nakuha the title itself, but it's okay with you.
Yeah.
Okay. What if, Sammy, there's another opportunity for you, not only for modeling, for catwalk, or there's somebody that asks you, you want to join male pageant? Because here in the Philippines, ano na po ang male pageant ngayon eh, hindi lang yung female pageant. Philippines are really go for pageant now. Are you gonna have plans for male pageant? Because this one is different, ha?
Yeah.
Magkaiba to.
The thing is with pageants, like, especially the talent part, doon ako mahihirapan. Pero, sobrang nervous lang kasi kaiba. It's a new experience.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's something for me.
It's not for you. You're more of modeling on the ramp and everything.
Yeah.
Or if there's another chance again for
Modeling competition.
Another competition in modeling.
I would like to go for it because there's some mistakes that I would like to correct.
So may nagtuturo sa'yo?
Yes.
Oh, so that's nice.
Si Miss Shandy po.
Okay.
Thank you for training me.
Kasi hindi pwede, it's not good that you're gonna join something that you don't have any any background of it or ganun?
Magaling po siya magturo. Naturuan niya sa akin lahat, paano yung modeling, in-explain niya lahat. Tsaka nagpa-pageant training din siya. Talaga.
So, ang ganda experience. For your young age, sobrang gandang experience yan. Eto na-experience mo na lahat yan. What's next? What next? Kasi kanina sabi mo nga, tinanong kita, how was your weekend? Sabi mo, nag-acting workshop.
Yes.
Bakit? May plan?
Opportunities.
Once opportunity knocks.
Yes.
Okay.
Because once I do acting workshop, there might be opportunities for me to do more, maybe some shows, maybe some advertising. Never really know.
Yeah.
It's better to do a little bit of everything so you can, have more opportunities for the future.
Yeah. So, eto na. You're having your acting workshop. How was it?
It was good. Very fun. And they tell you what you do wrong so that you can fix in the future. And I think the only part that I'm going to be struggling with is just memorizing the scripts. Dun lang.
Hindi yan mahihirapan kasi little by little you will learn how to memorize it.
Yeah.
For now, siguro yun yung sinasabi natin na mahirap, but for now, little by little matututuhan na. At least you're enjoying it. Hindi ba boring yung workshop?
No, not at all. Because I'm able to learn something new, and I love learning. I love learning new things that are of interest to me.
Ayan. Meron daw mga comments sa comment section that, ayan, may question ulit po. Ang pogi, ayan, sabi, pogi naman, sabi niya, hi Sammy, Tita Lori pala yun. Yung parang Chinese. Pogi ni Sammy. Tapos, di yan nakasmile. Ayan, di pa yan nakasmile. Gwapo na. Paano na pag pinakita ang killer smile? Winner. Sabi nung ka-office mate ni Mommy. And then, tanong ulit ni Direk Rodel, it is nice that Sammy is open into training and self-development. Oo nga. Diba?
It's important to work on yourself, of course. Like, you don't want to just stay as the same person all the time. You want to learn new skills. Because for me, if I don't try to learn something new, and if I just stay at the house or can't really do anything, parang feeling ko, hindi complete yung day ko. Hindi ako makatulog na maigi. Kung wala ko feeling na-accomplish.
Yeah. So, parang ngayon, after the catwalk, ngayon sabi mo nga you open doors with the acting workshop. Yeah. So, parang another accomplishment this for you.
Yes.
And another experience again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because in acting, actually, I'm not nahihiyain ako. So, acting was a bit of a big step for me. But I went full throttle into it. Yeah, it's much more different to modeling. Because you have to show like a different side to you. You have to show a very big side of you when it comes to acting compared to modeling. So,
yeah. And sabi mo nga kakasimula mo lang. So mas excited pa yung coming days or coming weekends mo sa acting workshop, yes. Diba? Oo nga. Yan, magaling si Sa. Tapos sabi mo nga nagsabi mo nga lagi ka na sa bahay if you're not into, kung wala kang activities or anything. Yes. And then sabi mo, you're good in household chores, diba? Yes. Anong mga alam mo?
What do you mean? Like
do you know how to cook? You know how to... Kasi, aminin po natin ngayon, not all kids in this generation know how to clean the house, wash dishes, cook. Ikaw?
I'm the person that cooks in the house.
Wow!
Like, when I'm not with my mom, when she goes out, usually the deal is I would cook for everyone in the house. Para at least makauwi siya, masarap yung ulam, pagkain. Ayun.
Wow! Pwede naman pala talaga to iwanan na sa bahay. Minsan dapat yata, pag nag-acting workshop, palutuin din to sa acting workshop natin. Diba? Yun nga, ikwento mo, nakalimutan ko, saan ka nag-acting workshop?
Kay Sir Rodel po. Sa, dito po.
Okay. So, you have to encourage them na hindi madali ang acting workshop.
Hindi madali kung hindi mo parang itatry. Like, if you don't, what do you say this? Like, if you don't give it your all, you're of course gonna struggle. But if you're open to making mistakes, then you will be completely fine.
Okay. Ikaw ba nagulat ka dun sa acting workshop na akala ko acting workshop, mag-a-act na kami, but you have lectures, right?
More like I was surprised na kala ko kasi much more strict as
Okay.
thinking, but it's much more chill lang.
Chill lang.
Yeah.
And you're not bored ba once there's lectures or everything? Kasi,
No, because I'm interested, because you get to learn something new, right? So you get like all the mechanics and like how everything works and why do they do this? Because I'm more of a person that I need a reason to do something.
Yeah.
So when I'm able to see a lecture and say, ganun pala, I have more of a reason to do a certain thing.
Okay. Kasi not everything sa acting workshop kasi po na yung iba, akala na pag nag-acting workshop ka, puro arte-arte lang. But here, there's lecture and then there's activities that you're gonna be shocked na bakit pinagawa to sa amin, and then later on, it will be connected do sa pinagawa sa'yo or pinasulat sa'yo, di ba? Like, tell me, magkwento ka, how was your 2 days in acting workshop?
The main thing that we worked on was thinking on the spot. And I really struggled with that. Because imagine you're given a few rules and you have to think on the spot. Like, after somebody's, like, let's say somebody's on a phone call, right? And they're in a call, and then they're having a call, and then you have to get something from what they said, like a word that they said, to put in the next phone call that you're gonna do. So you have to think on the spot and think of you can't be yourself. You got to be like a different character, right? You're a student, teacher, a
whatever,
mom, a kid, yeah. So especially thinking on the spot is quite difficult because you expect the unexpected. That's it. You can't plan anything. When you try to plan something, it will go all around.
But it must be like impromptu.
Yes.
Like everything must be like what you've said. You don't have to plan it.
Yeah.
Once binigay sa'yo, dun ka lang mag-iisip, right?
Yes.
Kasi if you're gonna plan it, it's gonna ruin everything.
Yeah. And you just gotta go with the flow. Because if you gotta think about it a lot, then you're gonna mess up quite fast and easily.
So that's the first, yun yung mga activities na medyo nahirapan ka. The phone call.
Yes.
The phone call. The activity in the phone call, dun ka nahirapan. Oh.
And
how
also
about
rhyming. We had a rhyming activity. I cannot rhyme. This is why I'm not good with poems.
No. Honest po, sa acting workshop, it will expand your learning.
Yes.
No, everything. Even yung sabi mo nga, you're not good in a spontaneous, but nagawa mo, di ba? So, little by little, it really helps your personality and your character too, right? So, nag-e-enjoy sa acting workshop talaga.
Yes, of course. So, it's so fun. Everybody's so nice and they're not judgmental. We just have a good laugh after somebody acted or like, ganun lang.
So, that's nice. So, you're looking forward to it again for this coming weekend.
A little bit worried, but yes.
Why little bit worried tayo this coming weekend?
Because, like I said, memorizing isn't my best suit, but of course, I'll try my best. And I will memorize it by the end of the...
So, may pinamemorize na sa inyo si Direk?
Yes.
Ay, oo nga. So, you're not... Pero at least yung pinamemorize is English, Tagalog.
English, of course.
So, that's nice. Hindi ka nahirapan, diba? So, ayan, may nagsasabi po, have you read your monologue? Is that a monologue?
Yeah, monologue.
Monologue.
Parang...
May nagko-comment sample.
No spoiler alerts. No spoilers.
No spoiler daw. No spoiler yan. No spoiler na. Kasi may tapos, okay. Sabi nung isa, Sammy, what is your number one tip to dress well? Sabi ni Ethan.
If you really don't know what to wear, just wear some basic colors. The main rule is just wear 3 different colors, maximum. And, just wear something simple. A t-shirt and jeans can get you so far. And just put on a jacket, like what I'm doing right now. Something so simple could look good on you. And then get some watches and necklaces. Those can really increase how you look. And get some good shoes. Some nice boots and sneakers.
So, may nagtanong sa kanya how you're gonna wear. What is your everyday look?
Everyday look?
Yeah, the typical look ni Sammy.
I always wear a jacket. I feel kind of naked without a jacket.
Even na mainit dito sa Pilipinas, you always... Oh my God. Oh. Ganon. So, bale, ikaw, you always bring jacket. Basta,
Yes.
then, simple lang. Tapos yung jacket.
Yeah.
Para it adds on.
Yeah.
Okay. May nakita akong tanong. Ayan. Sammy, ano ang sasabihin mo sa batang lalaki na gustong pumasok sa modeling? It's two. O yan, tanong niya ni Direk Rodel. Tagalog yan.
Yeah, 19. So, to get into modeling, you're gonna have to be really, really open to it. You gotta be open to any mistakes you do. And you gotta learn from others. Be open to criticism, okay? And don't be too hard on yourself, because first time, second time, it's gonna be really difficult. But after a little while, it's gonna get easier and easier. The stress is still gonna be there, of course. You're always gonna be nervous, but once you're on the stage, or once you're walking down the ramp, you're gonna feel good. You're gonna feel good. You feel like you accomplished something amazing. And that's what I really like about modeling. You feel like you had a good day, no matter how bad it is. Our good ramp could always fix up a day. That is for me.
So, at early age yan yung naramdaman mo when you were 12. Like, this is what I want. Modeling talaga. So, that's nice, diba? Oh, may tanong pa po. How do you balance your studies and modeling career?
Well, the difference between modeling and school is that I have homework. And in modeling, I just have to go to the place. Well, there is training, of course, but it's not that hard to schedule them. Maybe some puyat, a little bit of sleepless nights because you have to do projects and assignments. But most of the time, if you keep your schedule right, you'll be able to do them just fine. Just don't overwork yourself and know your limits.
Talaga ha, know your limits at don't overwork yourself.
Yeah.
Natutulog?
Yes.
Oh, so that's good. Ayan, Sammy, kung magiging celebrity ka in the future, sinong celebrity ang gusto mong tularan at bakit?
Tularan?
You're ideal or hindi ideal eh. Yung paano ba yun? Yung tutularan is like your idol. Yeah.
Oh, my idol?
Your idol.
My idol celebrity?
Your idol celebrity that you want to be like him or her, like him na you're gonna follow his footstep.
Okay, there was always one that inspired me a little bit. It is Keanu Reeves, because he keeps everything very low-key. Parang he's like an average citizen, and he donates a lot of his money to charity. He's just a very charitable guy, and he's not like a very big person. Parang he's just a normal guy.
So that's in the foreigner. So
Yes.
foreign side tayo. Sa Filipino ba, meron kang kilalang Filipino actors or celebrities?
Naalala, hindi po.
So si Keanu Reeves talaga. Oh, even Keanu Reeves is good. Nagmo-model din siya, diba?
I haven't seen any of the
Parang alam ko nag-model din once si Keanu Reeves. So, these two have questions ba? How do you balance your modeling? So, yun nga, may nagtanong si Director Rodel that how you balance your modeling and your studies. Tapos ngayon you're having acting workshop na paano kakayanin pa if in case sooner na you're gonna have like a acting job, kakayanin?
Kaya naman.
Kaya
naman.
As long as you have your time management.
Yes, and I still have to work on it because I'm not very good. I'm a very messy person when it comes to organization, because you know how they say somebody's room is like how they are.
Yeah.
Ganun pa ako. Ang gulo. Kasi I have a lot of things on my mind at all times, and everything gets jumbled up. But I kind of like it like that. There's like some randomness, but you still know where everything is at.
Yeah. Pero nakikita ko kasi po kay Sammy, he's very matured for your age. For a 16 years old and very responsible ka. Like sabi mo nga, you have your household chores sa bahay, and then you have to cook, and then para pag uwi ni mommy mo, may food na, and then you do like your laundry sometimes, 'di ba? So, very responsible pa. And also, I heard, nung hindi ka pa nag-acting workshop, you have your part-time job.
Yes.
Ano yung part-time job ni Sammy?
Well, I just work for my mom. I just organize files, do some checking this and that. Kasi she runs an
Yeah.
agency.
Yeah.
So I just check if they have visas or just organizing, like just organizing, just mainly the easy stuff, so that
Yeah.
her workers and my mom can just do all the things that I am not allowed to do because
Yeah.
I have no experience with those type of things.
Pero at least you have your part-time job.
Yes.
Pero parang you're very responsible. Nag-enjoy pa as a teenager? You do stuff like yung mga, do you go out?
Basketball out. Yeah.
So yun yung sports mo, yung basketball.
I do a little bit of everything. Badminton, table tennis, yeah, and a little bit of martial arts, ganun.
Oh, ang dami ha. Ang dami talaga. Parang everything, you indulge yourself to everything.
Yeah.
Para you want to experience everything. Pero kung papipiliin ka dyan, sinasabi mo nga, you have you're a sportsman person. Yeah. You do a little of this, a little of that. Ano pipiliin mong sport?
Sports? So far, my best experience has been with badminton because I like being by myself when it comes to games or sports because I feel like everything's on me, right? And if it comes to sports like basketball, then you have a team that you have to somewhat rely on, and it's kind of difficult because you can't really get mad at them, and you can't get like the stress is just like split out. But if it's badminton where it's mostly a solo game, then yeah, everything's on you. You know what mistakes you did, and maybe you could have done better because a team-based game is very random. You don't really know what can happen. There's so many people with different minds.
So, sa badminton tayo ngayon.
Yes.
Okay. Sobrang sports niya, no? Tapos ang dami-dami niyang gustong. Si Sammy kasi is, pwede kong masabi, a typical teenager, but not that typical. You know, parang you do the things that you love to do, but you're not a typical teenager that loves gadget. Because some of your age, you usually love play this, play that, and go out. Pero ikaw, and then you're not really lumalabas ng bahay after school. After school, you go out with your friends? No. Or
not sometimes.
Yun nga is, di ba, sobrang responsible na para you have you know your responsibility at the early age.
Not an early age, mostly in the pandemic.
Okay. Bakit? Anong nangyari nung pandemic? Sige, ikwento mo yan sa akin.
I got a little bit more mature.
Oh, what happened? Anong ginawa ng pandemic kay Sammy?
Kasi at home, I had to do a lot more things. You know, like I had to be at home most of the time because back then in school, I would be at school. Then after school, immediately go to tutor. And after tutor, I would get home around like 7 or like that time. I can't really do anything. I can't really cook or do much chores. Maybe just walis lang sa bahay and mop. And that's really it. On the weekends, we would do like a full house cleaning.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So nung pandemic,
that's when I found my love for making like cooking dishes.
Oh, so what's your favorite dish to cook?
My favorite dish to cook, if I had to go with one, would be pesto pasta.
Wow.
It is my first actual dish that I made, Filipino style.
Filipino style.
Yeah.
Bakit Filipino style, not the Italian style? Why?
I couldn't find all the ingredients.
Okay.
But one time I did try to make it, but I didn't have like the little thing that you have to bake in the oven, so it didn't taste right to me. So I didn't make it again because when I cook, I'm a very critical person when it comes to myself. So yeah.
So ikaw, kalaban mo sarili mo.
Yes.
Diba? Tama. So after pesto, ano pang? Do you have any Filipino dish that you love to cook aside from pasta?
Adobo.
What kind of adobo?
Okay.
The chicken or the pork?
Chicken.
Chicken adobo. Yes. So, dry ba ang adobo natin na may oily or yung masabaw?
Parang a little bit in between because when I cook, I don't use a lot of oil. That's very unhealthy. It's a lot of calories.
Okay.
But when I'm cooking, I like to marinate the chicken first for about a few hours.
Okay.
To get the flavor in there. And then, parang not too soupy. The chicken is the main dish for me.
Okay. So, ang sarap. Minsan nga, sasabihin po natin kay Sammy, sa acting workshop, magdala siya ng mga niluluto niya. Ayan.
It doesn't really taste good if it's cold, right? That's my problem. I can't really... I'm very critical, even when it comes to temperature with my food.
Oh, talaga.
So, yeah, whenever I'm eating, even my mom says, like, I can't enjoy my own food
Why?
because I taste everything that is wrong with it.
So you're so critic with
Yeah.
your cooking.
Yeah.
Ayan. Sabi nga po dito sa comment section, kamukha po daw ni Sammy yung young Ian Veneracion ang dating niya. And then sabi ni Direk Rodel, Sammy, meron ka bang ideal girl?
Ideal girl, like what like type ko?
Yeah, yung type mo.
I do not want to disclose that if that is okay.
Okay. Sige.
Like-
Pero, at your age, nagka-girlfriend na ba? Parang ayaw pa rin po niya sabihin. Parang ayaw pa rin po niya sabihin.
What?
Kasi,
Currently, none.
currently,
None. Single.
single naman pala po. Pero nagkaroon.
Dati.
Uy, of course, ang gwapo-gwapo, hindi ba magkakaroon to? Pero you have crushes now.
No.
Ay, wala. Wala kang crushes now. Sorry kayo, girls. Walang crushes si Sammy. Even the mga classmates, walang crush si Sammy. Kayo na lang magka-crush sa kanya. 'Di ba? Ayan. Tapos sabi ni Rochelle, pa-shout out please.
Shout out to Rochelle.
Sabi ni Rochelle, and yan. Di
Yo,
ba
what's up,
ang
bro?
bilis-bilis ng oras natin, Sammy?
Yes po.
And we're done. Okay, we have only 7 minutes. Dito sa 7 minutes na to, I have few questions for Sammy. Like sabi mo nga, mahilig ka lang sa bahay mo. You always stay in your house. Usually on the weekend, you clean the whole house.
Mostly that's just my mom and sister.
Mom and sister.
Yeah.
But if I'm gonna ask you, what part of your house or kung papipiliin kita, parte ng bahay nyo, saan ka doon? Ano ka doon?
Would it be cheating if I said my own room?
No. No.
If it has to be other than my room, probably the kitchen.
Because you love to cook.
Yeah, but also because there's so many ingredients, and you can make anything out of it. It's kind of like me. I have a lot of, potential. There's a lot of things in my mind that I just jumble up, mix up. Because when in cooking, especially, you can just put any random things together.
Yeah.
And as long as you have like the right taste for it, it'll turn out good. Unlike in baking, where everything has to be so precise.
Oh, so aside from your room, the kitchen, and then for example, I'm gonna let you choose. If you're a kind of vehicle, what kind of vehicle you are? You want the big ones, ba?
Can I go with a motorcycle?
Yeah. Why?
I'd say a type of naked bike, maybe the MT-07.
Yeah, okay.
MT-07, because naked bikes are much more like, they're a little bit for everything. They do a little bit of everything. They're not the best at a certain thing, but they're good at a little bit of everything. A little bit of off-roading, good at tracks. Yeah, and you can use them for carrying on luggages. So yeah.
Yun ka.
And they're very fast. They're like a missile.
Wow.
I like it to take it a bit fast. I'm not a very slow person.
Oo nga.
Only when like pagod lang. And chill. Gusto ko lang maging chill for a day.
Yeah.
I always have to have a day where it's to myself and I just have to do nothing. Because,
So you sometimes you're asking for, can I have my me time?
Oh no.
You don't
only when I see an opportunity.
So you have your me time. So when's the opportunity?
Mostly like nighttime or like kung ako lang sa bahay.
Okay. So at your age of 16, I know you're craving for more. But for now, at your age, you accomplished so many things. You experienced the runway already at early age. You're modeling. What more? At your age, or Sammy, what more do you like to achieve in the future?
More independence.
Oh.
That's one thing. And what else? I want to join some type of sport league or something.
Oh, what kind? Like yung mga...
Just badminton.
Sa badminton.
For me right now, I'm seeing with my skill, I'm still not good enough to even compete in one of those.
Okay.
Because I don't have much practice since, Silang Cavite. It's near Tagaytay, so it's very windy.
Very windy.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And there's not really any courts that I can just go around because it's so far from
everywhere.
Yeah.
Sa silang malalayo, 'di ba? But for your age, do you have any mantra or motto in life that you follow?
I mean, just a simple one. It is what it is. Like in life, some something just happens and you can't really do anything about it. But all you can do is just move forward, move on with it.
Okay. Do you feel sometimes being frustrated ka if you want to do something but hindi mo siya nagagawa?
Yes.
How do you handle it? How do you handle it?
It really depends on how frustrated I am. But if I am very, then I would I would need to do something of physical work.
Oh.
Whether it be weightlifting or something else, because I need to tire myself out. If I don't, parang it's all just pent up inside me, and then I might lash it out on somebody. Maybe yell at them, or by accident. Like even if you don't mean it. Yeah. That's why I like my alone time, because sometimes I do things that I regret when I'm frustrated.
Oh. So meron ka meron ng isang bagay or something happen na talagang na-frustrate ka, and then how you handle it? Tumagal ba siya? It took you along to move on, or what?
There was a time where I was frustrated at myself for a few months to a year because of myself, because I'm not. Dati kasi I was a good bit spoiled. I was a good bit spoiled, so I got pissed at myself at that, because of course who likes being spoiled?
Yeah.
You want to be a little bit more independent. You want to learn some more independence, and you want to learn how to handle things better for yourself. Because at some point, you're going to be living on your own. So, ayun.
Very matured po si Sammy, no, at his age, sobrang matured niya. At dahil dyan, na akala ko matagal pa po yung oras, we only have like, how many minutes? Oh my God, 1 minute. I'm giving the floor to Sammy. You can invite them if they want, invite them to your social media para naman ma-follow ka nila. And also, ako na po yung magsasabi, if you want to see Sammy, yung galing niya sa Catwalk Philippines, you can visit the First Son production yung kanila para makita niyo yung buong ginawa niyang pagrarampa doon. So now I'm giving you the floor to invite them to your social media.
Just go to my go to Alajarno Sammy on my Facebook, and for my Instagram, just go S4MIE_01 for my Instagram.
No activities now that you want to promote? Nothing?
No. At the acting workshop, it is very recommended. You should all do it.
Oh, yeah. Sinabi niya po. Yeah, like now, eto po, fina-flash namin dyan. You can PM us to our acting workshop here in Ignos Novice Management. Sorry, Ignos Novice Acting Management, and also First Son Production. You can call us here at 0927-242-6273 or 0954-170-2679. I'm so sorry. Eto po, you can PM us also in our First Son Production FB account, and also our Ignis Novice Artist Management. You can PM us there para po malaman nyo yung details about sa acting workshop. Every weekend, 6 o'clock po siya, 6 hours po siya every morning at 10 p.m. I'm so sorry. And of course, don't forget our live every Monday, Chikahan with Mommy Ray. Every Wednesday po, Uptown Download Podcast with Caleb and Charles. And also, Coffee Chat with David every Thursday naman po yan. And of course, would like to thank our sponsors, Hesenea Aesthetic po. They have two branches at Show Boulevard in Mandaluyong. Phone number 092927 51014, and also in NS Amoranto, Quezon City at 0906-208-8183. Open po sila every 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. For your inquiries po, tawagan nyo na lang po sila. And also, follow me on my Facebook account at Rachel Pulion, at ang FB page ko naman po, it's Mommy Ray 3. My new IG account is Mommy_Ray 43. My TikTok and X is at Mommy Ray 3. Ayan po. Sammy, maraming salamat. Thank you very much for sharing with us, you, and of course, yung experience mo sa Catwalk Philippines. Maraming salamat. I hope you enjoy and enjoy your acting workshop.
Thank you po for having me today.
Okay. Maraming salamat po for joining us, and see you all next week again, same time, here in Mommy Ray, Chikahan with Mommy Ray. At lagi ko po sa inyong sinasabi, everything that's happening to us, there's always a reason behind it. Bye po. Thank you. Be safe.